Gateway on Broad is moving forward as crews continue the critical phase of site work and grading. This is where the ground is shaped, leveled, and stabilized so every future building, roadway, and parking area has a solid foundation. You'll also see drain fields being installed across the site. These systems manage stormwater, prevent flooding, and protect the development long-term. Getting drainage right at the beginning is one of the most important steps in modern construction. It may look like simple dirt work, but this is the groundwork that makes everything else possible. Every load of soil moved and every trench dug brings Gateway on Broad one step closer to the finished vision. This has been another Gateway on Broad update, brought to you by True North Aerial Imaging, your vision elevated.